Okay, good morning again, guys, from the top deck, business class of the Super Cat. We're on our way to Bohol, Cebu, and Tagbilaran, I'm told. Sorry for that correction. Tagbilaran, Bohol, Cebu, and ahead of us is this huge bridge, which I want to highlight for you guys. You'll be seeing it momentarily. You can see it through the windows here. It's arena morning here in Cebu City. More specific, Cebu City at the port. But we're hoping for clearer skies. Exit out of the port here. It's quite comfortable here in the business class. And there's the bridge. And we will be traveling right under the bridge. Let's listen into Super Cat. Jen is quite tired. We only had like 3 hours sleep last night. We didn't get in to Cebu City until 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're back up at 5. So wasn't such not a lot of sleep at all, but we're thankful. We're heading to our next destination. There's that bridge that I'm talking to you about. It's quite a project. There's a better shot of the bridge. That's it for this video. I'll get back to you in a short while when there's another point of interest to be pointed out.